United Nations Department of Safety and Security has now removed Pakistan-registered air operators from its recommended list. This move comes after a large-scale pilot license scam sent shock waves across the aviation world. It came to light shortly after the recent PIA air crash in Karachi, which killed over 95 people. The UN safety watchdog has also taken a strong decision against Pakistan. In its message to the agency's personnel, it has advised them to stop using services of all Pakistan-registered air operators until further investigation. The message also said that other UN agencies are likely to have received a similar notification on Pakistan's aviation industry. Earlier, Pakistan's PIA was suspended across Europe over a fake pilot license scam. And now, for the next 6 months, all Pakistan-registered air operators will be barred from Europe. Authorities in Asia have also raised concern over the remaining Pakistani pilots and accused companies of having still employed pilots with fake or dubious licenses. Vietnam's Civil Aviation Authority also has barred Pakistani pilots from flying for any of the nation's airlines. The decision was taken right after it was revealed that 250 pilots in Pakistan were operating on fraudulent licenses. In Abu Dhabi, the Emirate Civil Authority also wrote to Imran Khan's government seeking to verify licenses of at least 50 Pakistani pilots working in different airlines in the region. The investigation into the fake licenses scam was spurred by an earlier investigation last year when 17 pilots were suspended for committing fraud. Further probes revealed that out of the country's 860 active pilots, over 260 of them had fake credentials, over 260 of them. Initial investigative reports also suggested that large-scale cheating in service examinations and corruption led to this major scam. As of now, all 260 pilots have been suspended from flying for any airline.